Welcome back to Plants Are Speaking. Are you listening? Today I wanted to really define for you what true harmony is. It's more than balance in your life, and it's more than a lack of chaos. It actually is a state of very high vibrational energy that takes you to the point as if you were so energized and vibrant in your body that every moment you felt so alive, and that almost would equate to crossing over into heaven, but not being there, but being here. And so I talk about in my book a place that provides that harmonious energy that is so high in vibration that plants grow without disease, they grow without pests, and those pollinators and birds do not exist. And they are our helpers, helping us now to get to that higher vibration. And those pests, those insects, those birds, those animals will all evolve into something in a higher form as we go down the road. Consider it heaven on earth, and they all will have a different role. And so I am here to help show you that there is a better way coming, and that for now, walking a harmonious life is actually being more your authentic self, step by step by step, and being in nature as much as you can. Thanks for listening. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future episodes.